Hey there, guys. It's me, Arav, and it's been a really long time since I've been meaning to do this. React to TTTE Memes 8. Okay, let's get started with this. Yeah, let's get started. I've been really meaning to react to this.
Starting out with any new project management software usually feels
Not
something like
another
this.
ad.
Where do you even start? Well, you've probably got some to-dos written down somewhere, right?
I don't know what's going on.
Let's drop those in here. There we go. Let's give
My
these some...
computer feels a bit faulty today.
It's another bad reboot. Not Stanks. Day of the Diesels be like.
Yeet. Oh, yeet.
Audrey bites. Once the Americans get hold of it, the whole series would be vulgarized and ruined. Audrey. Non-stupid people tested. Pentagon. Hexagon. Octagon. Cheap term Oliver gone. The Simpsons predicted season 25.
I don't really
So many symbols that represent America.
Not Ferdinand.
Me watching season 17 to 21 remembering the good times.
I get it.
Me inviting the whole Thomas fandom to watch Soda's Legend of the Lost Treasure over and over. How much is Tommy Oliver worth? Looks back. Money money money. Writes a really big number. Types of headaches.
That's expensive, dude.
Migraine. Hypertension. Stress. Mattel rebooting again this.
Oh, yeah. I got a headache when I first saw 2D Thomas.
The true story be like. Ahoy Bill and Ben, I've just inhaled 13 sedules into my exhaust vent and am slowly starting to lose consciousness. Bruv, we ain't Bill and Ben.
Oh.
16 things Thomas fans get chewed over. Very poor choice of words. I judged movies on nostalgia such as Calling All Engines. But I now judge movies if they are actually good, such as Soda's Legend of the Lost Treasure.
That really does make sense, cause Slala is like almost the best special in Thomas. Much better.
What do you call an engine with a cold? A choo-choo train.
Percy.
When alcohol. Mattel being so desperate for money they sell Thomas's face.
Ew!
Remember when Salty ruined the entire Thomas timeline in The Adventure Begins?
What? Oh, yeah.
Railways exist. Road vehicles, and we took that personally. He will never
Good.
YouTube. Thomas and Friends is an American YouTube channel that has a net worth of $52 million as of March 2021.
Literally spits out freaking.
Teachers when they put a meme from 10 years ago in their slideshow. Hit era characters have no personality. Random Thomas fans. Nobody. Thomas fans recommends be like.
Yeah. I literally get unlucky tugging my feet almost all the time.
When you're high on soda flowers. Help.
What? Literally.
I'm the Senate.
Percy's a senator. Senator Percy.
Colby at Burger King.
Yeah, that totally makes sense. I have a family emergency. Must leave. Just kidding.
At Burger King.
Oh my god. You know, I don't have to do that.
Listen. I'm a tank engine. Not a train fool.
IPMS.
Yeah, that totally makes sense. He's probably attacking Mattel.
Puff, you're a steamy, and you enter the wrong classroom.
Totally makes sense. All the Diesels, Wit, and Thomas is stuck.
Thomas and Friends crashes. Thomas and Friends crashes without troublesome trucks.
Look at that. There's like an extensive crash history.
Audrey watching the unlucky tug.
Makes sense.
Yellow-face Bertie isn't real. He can't hurt you. Yellow-face Bertie.
Ooh, yeah. Is that Algae or who is it? Who is it?
Teacher, you can't hear images. Me.
Yeah. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
The fat controller saw his wife in bed with another man. But that's a story for another day.
Seriously? Sir Topham Hatt could just report her to the court.
eBay sellers in 2025. Oliver Porn for £78,773.
Yeet!
Dunkin' Donuts. Soda runs on Dunkin'.
Okay, that totally makes sense. Duncan will eat donuts. Come on, Duncan. Eat those donuts, Duncan.
A picture that looks weird flipped.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, that makes total sense.
Soda's Legend of the Lost Treasure is the best special. Change my mind. How Normus fall asleep. How Thomas fans fall asleep.
Yeah, totally makes sense.
Thomas fans on Valentine's be like, I'm gonna thumper you tonight. Thanks for watching. Send your Thomas related memes through Twitter or email.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. See you then. Bye-bye.